Hello, mathematicians. When you get to part 2 of Hot Topics, what you're going to do is you are going to watch this video and then you are going to click on this link to get started. So after you finish this video, to find your Google Slides activity, you're going to click on this link and you're going to make a copy. Once you make a copy, make sure you are putting it in your Hot Topics folder. So as a reminder here, make sure you're changing your name up in the top where it says copy of. Make sure you're changing your name here so that we know whose it is when we click on it. And then add it to your Hot Topics folder. So going through your folder buttons and then adding it to your Hot Topics folder. All right. Today we're going to be identifying word problems and identifying what strategy it really calls for. So not always will the strategy be apparent because a lot of the times when we've done word problems, we're looking at them and we're saying, okay, we're doing addition right now, so all the word problems must be addition. That's not always going to be the case in real life. You're going to have to figure out what it's really asking you. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be looking at these questions, going through, and you're going to be doing two things. One, you're going to be highlighting the addends if it's addition, the minuend and subtrahend if it's subtraction, the factors if it's multiplication, and the dividend and divisor if it's division. So you're going to be looking through these problems and circling one of these down at the bottom and then highlighting some things up here. So let's read this question. Tommy wants to give his 3 sisters some of his Halloween candy. He has 36 pieces of candy and wants to give each sister the same amount. How many can he give each of his sisters? So as we're looking at this question, we're thinking, okay, well, he is giving some candy to 3 people. So he is distributing his candy evenly amongst 3 people. To me, that sounds like division. So you're going to circle what you think it is, and then since we said that this is division, we need to look here. Highlight dividend and divisor in orange. So we need to find the dividend and the divisor here and highlight them in orange. So Tommy wants to give his 3 sisters some of his candy. So he's splitting up his candy amongst his 3 sisters. So we're going to highlight 3 sisters and we're going to make that orange. And he has 36 pieces of candy and wants to give each sister the same amount. So he's splitting up his 36 pieces of candy. So that's our dividend. So not only do you need to make sure that you are circling, also make sure that you are highlighting here in the problem. So you're going to go ahead and do this. Make sure you're circling and then highlighting in the appropriate color. All right, you guys are awesome.